Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Shizuku pairing unsuccessful on Xiaomi devices. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to fix the Shizuku pairing unsuccessful issue on Xiaomi devices, you have to follow a few important steps and understand why this problem happens in the first place. Shizuku is an Android tool that allows apps to use system-level APIs without requiring full root access, and it is extremely useful for advanced app management and automation tasks. However, Xiaomi devices often present difficulties when pairing Shizuku due to the MIUI system restrictions, aggressive battery optimizations, and security settings that block background services. So the pairing fails because Shizuku cannot maintain the required communication channel with the system when these restrictions are active. The first thing you need to do is enable developer options on your Xiaomi device. To do this, go to Settings and then go to About Phone, and here repeatedly tap the OS version until a message appears saying you are now a developer. This is crucial because most of Shizuku's functions, including a DB-based pairing, require access to developer-level settings. Once developer options are enabled, you need to enable USB debugging. This option is found under Settings, then go to Additional Settings, then tap on Developer Options. Here, scroll down and click on USB debugging. Make sure to toggle it on, as this allows your device to communicate with Shizuku properly, either via a PC or locally. Additionally, you should enable USB debugging security settings if available, because MIUI sometimes separates normal USB debugging from security enhanced debugging for sensitive operations. Without this, Shizuku may not receive the necessary permissions to pair successfully. The next step is to adjust Xiaomi's battery optimization and background restrictions. MIUI aggressively limits background activity for apps to improve battery life, which often prevents Shizuku from maintaining its service in the background. So, to fix this, go to Settings, scroll down and go to Apps. Here, search for Shizuku and tap on that. Then go to Battery and select No Restrictions or Unrestricted depending on your MIUI version. Also, in the same menu, enable Auto Start, which allows Shizuku to start automatically after the device boots. If these settings are not applied, even if you manage to pair Shizuku, it will disconnect randomly or fail to start after rebooting your device. Another key issue on Xiaomi devices is the MIUI security app. By default, MIUI may block apps that attempt to use system-level services or ADB features, labeling them as suspicious or high risk. To bypass this, open the security app and make sure Shizuku is allowed to auto-start. Also, long press on Shizuku and tap on Info icon. Then go to Permissions and allow all permissions. Then go back and go to Other Permissions and ensure that Shizuku has permission to display over other apps and modify system settings. Without these permissions, Shizuku pairing may show the unsuccessful message repeatedly. If you are trying to pair Shizuku using ADB mode, connecting your Xiaomi device to a PC is essential. Make sure you have the latest version of ADB installed on your computer and that the USB cable supports data transfer. Once connected, open a command prompt or terminal and run the ADB pairing command provided by Shizuku. If your device shows a prompt asking for Allow USB debugging, make sure to accept it. Sometimes MIUI devices display this prompt behind other notifications or lock screens, so you need to unlock the device and confirm it. Failure to do this will result in Shizuku pairing failing every time. Some users may experience pairing issues even after enabling all the above settings. This is often due to MIUI system updates or custom ROMs that restrict ADB-based operations or change permission behaviors. In such cases, you may need to try the local root mode if your device is rooted, or use the wireless ADB pairing option, which works over a network connection rather than USB. Additionally, clearing Shizuku's app data and cache before retrying pairing can help resolve configuration conflicts. To do this, long press on Shizuku app, go to Storage, tap on Clear Data, select Clear Cache. Then again tap on Clear Data and press OK to confirm. Then restart the app and attempt pairing again. Finally, make sure that no other app is interfering with Shizuku. Xiaomi devices often have pre-installed system cleaners or security boosters that automatically kill background apps. Temporarily disabling or whitelisting Shizuku in these apps can prevent the pairing from failing. Once all the above steps are followed, enabling developer options, USB debugging, security settings, battery optimization adjustments, auto start permissions, and using a DB or local pairing correctly, Shizuku should pair successfully on Xiaomi devices. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Shizuku pairing unsuccessful on Xiaomi devices. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.